As we begin our meditation practice today, forming the intention to set aside some time each day for ourselves, a time when we can comfortably still the body, setting aside activities and constant doing, allowing ourselves to simply be, being with whatever arises in our bodies and our minds, and learning in this stillness to simply observe without judgment, with a sense of patience, kindness, and steadiness. And now, coming into a sitting posture, sitting on a straight back chair or on a cushion on the floor, sitting with a fairly straight back that is not stiff or rigid, and the spine is upright with its natural curves at the lower back and the neck. Sitting in a position that fosters alertness and is also fairly comfortable. The posture is relaxed, awake and dignified, alert, allowing the body to become still and settling into this moment. You might decide to place your hands on your lap or on your legs, feeling the support of the floor, the chair, or cushion, and settling into this stable seat. If you like, allowing your eyes to gently close, or you may leave them open, looking at the floor a few feet in front of you with a relaxed, unfocused gaze. Becoming aware of the fact that you are breathing, and becoming aware of the movement of the breath. Feeling the breath as it comes into the body and as it leaves the body. Aware of the breath flowing in and flowing out. Not manipulating the breathing in any way. Simply being aware of it and noticing how it feels. Allowing yourself to be with the flow of breath coming in and going out. You may notice the breath at the nostrils, perhaps becoming aware of temperature on the in-breath and a change in temperature as the breath leaves your body. You may notice sensations of breathing at the chest as the lungs fill with air and as they deflate as you breathe out. Perhaps becoming aware of the breath at your belly and sensing the belly rising and expanding as you breathe in and flattening and sinking as you breathe out. Allowing your attention to gently ride on the sensations of each breath. Not thinking about breathing, but feeling it directly as best you can. Allowing the breath to breathe itself and simply observing. There is no need to alter or change your breathing in any way. Giving full care and attention to each breath. Observing the full cycle of the breath. Locating the very beginning of the breath and following it as it enters the body, filling the lungs and expanding the chest and abdomen, and then coming to a tiny moment of stillness before it turns around and makes its journey out of the body. observing, being here for the entire cycle of breathing, letting your attention rest lightly on the feeling of the breath. You may notice that from time to time the mind may wander off to thoughts about past experiences or thoughts about the future, planning or anticipating. As soon as you become aware that the mind has become distracted and has wandered away from observing the breath, simply noting that, then gently refocusing your attention on sensations of breathing and returning to this present moment. No need to give yourself a hard time or judge yourself harshly. Rather, be patient with yourself as you redirect your attention. Simply coming back to this breath. Is it an in-breath or an out-breath? Moving in close to this breath. Once again, aligning the attention to this moment. Breathing in with the in-breath. Breathing out with the out-breath. One breath following the next. The breath anchoring the attention in this moment. Feeling breath sensations directly, just as they are. Knowing that you can always use the awareness of your breath to refocus your attention, to return to the present, when you notice that you have drifted, when you have become distracted, preoccupied, or restless. Focusing the attention on the breath can be a powerful anchor to this present moment and to the state of awake stillness. Feeling the sensations of breathing in your body. At the nose, the throat, the chest, the belly, or observing the entire wave of your breath. Fully present with each in-breath and with each out-breath. Breathing. Nothing you need to do, just being. Fully present with each breath, flowing into and out of the body. And as the recording finishes, recognizing that you have spent this time intentionally caring for yourself by dwelling in this state of being, allowing yourself to be exactly as you are, recognizing and honoring your wholeness and uniqueness. You might want to congratulate yourself for taking this time for yourself. Perhaps forming an intention to make the time to do this on a regular basis, nourishing the ability to be fully present in each moment, deepening your ability to be fully present in your daily life, and allowing the benefits of this practice to flow into the entire experience of your life.